Okay folks, today we have a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Civic LX. This vehicle is a nice white diamond pearl coat on it. You're going to have the LED daytime running lights. It's going to get you great fuel economy, and it has added protection with that certified warranty. Let's take a look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, let's take a look at the trunk space in the back of the Civic. You'll notice you have an incredibly deep trunk here, so you can fit plenty of groceries with no problem. This vehicle also comes equipped with a backup camera as well. Moving to the back seat area. Plenty of legroom and headroom in the back. You have the ivory cloth interior, very nice accent to the white. And moving to the front of the vehicle, you do get Bluetooth capabilities in here, so you can hook up your smartphone with no problem. You also have an electronic parking brake and brake hold system, and as I mentioned earlier, this vehicle gets excellent gas mileage. Okay everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Civic LX, folks. This vehicle is certified, so you get lots of added protection and warranty. It's a Honda, so you know it's very, very reliable, and this vehicle will get you upwards of 35 to 40 miles per gallon. So come check it out today, and come see me, Tristan, when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.